Oh, see this boy that I've been saying that is a big boy. Big boy, big boy. Every time you saying that is a big boy, is a big boy. Let me tell you, you're not a big boy. I'm smarter than you. I'm very smarter than you. See me see problem. Oh. Now you are here now telling me that I'm not a big brother, you're smarter than me. Smarter than you go and tell your mommy that I'm the one insulting you, rather you're the one insulting me. Eh? Leave me alone now that I am on my own. Please just leave me alone, please. Today we'll do you if you are smarter than you. Okay, since you want to ask questions, you can ask your questions, but remember, you will ask me my own questions. You will not ask me one question and just go like that. I will ask you your own questions. Agree? That means agree. That means since you want to prove to me that you are smarter than me, bring it on. Who is a designer or tailor? A designer or a tailor is a person who solves my problem through sewing of clothes. Now your own question. Who is a uncle? An uncle is the brother of the father of the mother. Who is a doctor? A doctor is a person who solves and treats illness. Now your second question. Who is an aunt? An aunt is the sister of the mother or the father. Great. Now ask me my own question. Who is a pastor? A pastor is a person that is sent from God to solve spiritual and physical problems. You, look, don't come here and insult me. All these questions that you're asking me, go and ask them to Nigerian students. Ask me questions that are very, very hard. You hear me? Now for your own question. Who is a cousin? A cousin is the child of an uncle or auntie. Oh, you know it. Now ask me my own question. So you want to prove to me that you're smarter than me? Okay, I'm going to the place. Who is a teacher? A teacher is someone that is sent to come and destroy every illiteracy. Now for your own question, who is a cousin? Cousin is the child of an uncle or auntie. Your challenge, but I've warned you. Stop asking me those primary questions. Ask me hard questions, okay? Okay, you hear me? Now your own question. Who is a nephew? Nephew is a direct son of a brother or sister. Okay, ask me your question. A lawyer is a person or someone who solves illegal problems, either to defend or to accuse. Now your own question. Who is a niece? A niece is a direct daughter to the brother or sister. Now, for you, what is family all about? A family is made up by a father, a mother, and children. Wow, you know the question. Now ask me my own question. Who is a farmer? A farmer is someone who provides food for the people. Now for your own question. Who is a father? Father is the head of the family and is the husband to the wife and is the father to the children. Now ask me my own question. Who is a pilot? A pilot is someone who drives an aircraft.
Okay.
Who is a grandfather? A grandfather is the father to your father or your mother. I'm not tired of asking questions. No problem. Sure, me too, I'm not tired of answering you. So continue your questions. Who is an architect? An architect is someone who solves building problems. Just get out from my way, I beg. I thought as you came here and said you want to challenge me, I thought all my mind was you ask me questions that even our president don't even know how to answer. Then you be asking me questions that even though you want children even close your eye and answer. Because shift. Don't worry now. I'll bring another one. Today I'll bring another one.